Stop!
What?
Look.
Oh. Where? Shh. What am I supposed to... Shh.
I'm not scared. Wait. There.
What?
Look.
Where?
Here.
I can't see anything.
It's right here.
There truly is nothing there.
There is.
Well, what is it then?
A ladybird.
You're seeing things.
I'm not. You're closed-minded. You can't see that your actions cause harm to others. I have an idea. Let me try and make you see things from my point of view. It might help you change your ways.
You really think I'm going to stop what I'm doing because you tell me to?
Not straight away. You can continue your path of destruction if you wish. I just want to try and open your eyes to the wider picture. With this knowledge, you may feel a desire to nurture nature. If you'd still rather tarnish it after completing these tasks, I will leave you alone. Deal?
Oh, fine.
Okay. First, let's start with cleaning your eyes. Not like that. How is that going to achieve anything? Your eyes are closed. Here. Give me this.
Nothing. Hold on a minute. Maybe it's you that needs your eyes cleaned. Now, can you see anything at the end of your finger?
Oh, what have you done, you monster? I see a scarlet drop. Red armour. A bright gumdrop. Tastes sour. Leg joints oozing with a disgusting yellow substance. Riddled with toxic alkaloids. Innocence reflected from my eyes, believing it naive to danger. Yet we are naive to it. Here upon my finger is an essence of power, fighting against your actions with mustered strength. Its heart deserves to beat, like the millions of others, now ghosts, polar bears, rhinoceroses, orangutans, and what comes next? Did you know it's considered unlucky to kill a ladybird?
So you still see the ladybird?
Correct. What can you see? Its appearance tricks your eyes, glazing with grey.
You really think a ladybird can do that?
It's magical. How?
It's a bug. It's less
than...
other animals and humans, obviously.
So you're saying that it's...
insignificant.
This is a deeper problem than I thought.
I blame the name. It gives it a sense of status.
Expand.
It makes you think it's as important as an actual bird. Even they aren't really that important when you think about it.
Right.
So when you think how unimportant they are, it really puts into perspective how much you shouldn't care about that ladybird. After all, it is just a pointless flying bug. Not even a bird.
It is. What a sweet little chick.
Hold on a minute, you said you're holding a ladybird.
They're one and the same.
Completely different.
It doesn't matter. What you can't seem to realise is that all creatures can be harmed. Maybe a chick will have a different effect on you.
I don't understand.
Yet. Oh, I think it likes me. Doesn't like you.
And why is that then?
Because you aren't trying.
Aren't you supposed to tell me how to try?
Try and connect your mind to mine. Make yourself see what is currently invisible to you. You look ridiculous. Well, you can't hypnotise yourself into seeing. Your sight will be untrue. Here. One,
2,
3.
nothing. This is hopeless.
There are infinite ways to use a torch in order to see.
Not when there is nothing to be seen.
You can't see the bird because you're refusing to.
No bird there.
You have a mental block. It stops you from seeing sense.
I see sense.
You don't. How can you?
At least I'm not like you. You're senseless.
No. I can.
You only care about yourself. You want to be the better person. I'm not having it. What you're seeing, holding, doesn't exist. If you want to call a collection of air particles a bird, you might as well call me a bird too.
That's it.
What now?
In order to understand those he harms,
I don't harm.
then he needs to see them as equal to him. It all makes sense now.
It really doesn't.
Mind you, I didn't expect him to become the other. This is human centrality. The placing of ourselves within the other to understand it at its finest.
Yeah, but what?
Oh, those feathers. They're so soft. Can I touch one?
I don't have feathers.
You do in yellow and tangerine. Oh, what a magnificent bird. Why don't you go find a tree to perch on?